Hey y'all, it's Candice. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today I have another wig review for you all, and I think it's the perfect color for the fall. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous unit from the Sensational Dashley collection. It is the unit Lace Unit 4 in the color T230. This unit does come with ear-to-ear soft lace. It also comes with a deep side part lace with 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps in the back, and also a comb in the back as well. The stock card also says that this is made with heat resistant fiber and it is heat safe up until 350 degrees to 450 degrees. But I never put heat on my synthetic units, only when they're straight. But if you want to, you can go ahead and try. I love these curls that are in it. It's kind of like a wave, kind of like an effortless curl, very date night, very fall, sensual. So I'm really loving the appearance of this unit. Of course, it has the dark roots that fade into the color. I love how they did that. I mean, color was effortless. It really was good. I'm not sure if this is coming up on camera, but this actually has a few highlights that are a little bit lighter than the other ones, and I really love that. So color and also the gradient effect was done very well. So this Dashley collection actually has a variety of wigs that they say fast fashion meets hair. So basically it's for the person who doesn't want to do a whole lot with their unit, but you can still slay while you're wearing it. I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, but I will insert a clip of the unit without any concealer in it. It's a pretty good lace part, I'm not going to lie. I really liked it, but in order to make it a little bit more natural, I went ahead and added the L'Oreal concealer right here. And I love that the lace is also tinted. The tinted soft lace is a nice touch on this unit for the price point. So I do want to go ahead and get into a few cons of the wig. Unfortunately, it's not big head friendly, so I have my wig grip on today, so I am actually not using any of the combs, but it doesn't come all the way down on both sides, unfortunately. And it's windy season, y'all, so I'm kind of concerned about that because I don't want my hair flipping up and it's showing all my business. Although the parting space was very natural, I think the hairline could have been a little bit more natural. It's a little thick up in here, just a little thick. A little thicker than a Snicker. You don't want your hairline thicker than a Snicker, okay? The hair is a silky texture. It has a natural density. It comes down about 20 inches on me, not too bad. So this is what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the side. And then as far as the other side and the back, I'm not gonna turn all the way around because I do have on a dress, but you can kind of see kind of the vibe. I didn't apply any heat to this unit because I don't really think it needed it. As far as the hump action, it's very minimal, which is really good. Even though this unit does come with the baby hairs, I didn't do much with them. Honestly, y'all, can we just have an honest moment? Y'all can keep the baby hairs. All the synthetic companies, y'all can keep the baby hairs. They're always too long, and sometimes they don't really need them. What we can do is make the wig caps bigger. Make the wigs bigger? Yeah, I'd rather have a bigger wig cap over baby hairs, okay? Because you can always cut some baby hairs. So just a quick recap over the pros and cons. Natural parting, great. Gradient effect with the color, pretty, great. These effortless curls, great, love them, very pretty. Cons, unfortunately, this hairline's a little too thick for me. Cap construction, not big head friendly. I'm gonna have to dock points. So I think all in all, I would give this wig an 8. Very good wig to have, maybe, you know, beginner friendly, but just be wary of it not being big head friendly. However, this Dashley line, I really do like kind of how effortless this wig customization was. I am really excited to try the rest of the Dashley collection. So you might see a couple more on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below on if you have tried the Dashley collection. What are your thoughts on it? Do you think Do you think we can do without the baby hairs, or do you think we can do with the baby hairs, or do you think it's some give and take? I want to hear y'all thoughts. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this with someone who you think would rock this unit. Okay, we got some holiday parties coming up, you know, hot girl semester, homecomings coming up. Okay, you gotta be fresh. All right, you gotta be together. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.